Alright, so we're here in Point Loma doing a roof and solar where we're relaying a clay boosted tile roof. So that's when there's cement between every tile of clay. It's called boosted. So when we took off the roof, one thing we found was the chimney needs repair. If you look here, the bricks are just sitting here. They're not even done. So we got some chimney repair that needs to happen. Over in this section, you can see how much wood rot there is. So this is the starter board. So we got a new starter board and we're going to be replacing that before the new roof goes down. So just some of the fun stuff you find when you're doing roofing. Alright, so there's the solar down here that we've already completed. We did that torch down roof there with 2 layers of torch material. And on this section we're going to redo the upper flat roof with 2 layers of torch, which is a layer smooth, then you bond a second layer. And we're also redoing the boosted clay tile roof around the whole front. This is a really old home, so you can see how the clay tile was done then, how much debris is caught in the roof, and it's been leaking all over. So this is the mess before it gets cleaned up and kind of looks like it does on the lower roof. Not sure.